how to create an account on Amazon Prime Video. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you create an account on Prime Video. So for that, you want to install Prime Video app onto your device. And in my case, I'm going to use the browser version of it. So I'm going to type in prime.com. Then click on the first link that comes. As soon as you click on it, I'm gonna quickly log out of my account. So now what next you want to do is to create an account. You simply want to click on start your free trial at the bottom of the page. When you do this, you have to go ahead and either sign in with your Amazon account or you could create a new one. If you want to create a new one, you type in your first and a last name, provide in your phone number or email address as well. Then you want to go ahead and create a password. As you're done, click on create your password. And here, once again, for the confirmation, you have to go ahead and create a password. Then click on create account. As you do that, what you need is basically you have to go ahead and add in your payment details. Once you're done adding in your payment details, you want to go ahead and verify all your details, and that's how you'll have successfully created an account on Amazon Prime Video. So that's the way you could create an account. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.